Mic check. Is we live or is we live? What's up, y'all? It's your boy, it's your man, Don Bucks. Welcome to another episode of Cheef and Chart. This is sponsored by Rapping Dough. Y'all see it behind me, the home of money conversations. And this is episode Strawberry Cough. Why? Because that's what I'm chiefing. Hey, listen, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Yeah, strawberry cough today. More so of a sativa. Now, as y'all can see, this show is not for kids. Um, even though I see nothing wrong with weed, right? This episode is not for kids, but I'm not even about to break down this weed though. Y'all can look it up on your own. Strawberry cough. But was y'all here yesterday? If you wasn't, it's probably because you ain't got the notification bell hit. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Every day, I'm showing y'all I've been trading the same stock, and I encourage everybody to trade the same stock. Because here we talk about trading options, investing, but preferably options, because that's where you can turn small money into big money, like I did. But yeah, you use those profits to make more money. But that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. But if y'all was here yesterday, I told y'all what was going to happen today. And I want to preface that statement. You don't have to be right. You don't have to be right. And it feels good to be right. It feels good. But I think that's where a lot of new traders, new investors get hung up in trying to be right, because the market is going to do what it wants to do. You have to remember that. The market is going to do what it's going to do, even though we cross all our T's and dotted all our I's. So this is a probability game. But we put the odds in our favor when we do what we're supposed to do. If it goes against us, there's nothing we did. We just move on to the next opportunity, right? So yesterday I told y'all that the SPY was bouncing off of a support and a structure. And let's take a look at it. We're looking at Trading View. Of course, I like Trading View. I ain't always know how to use it though. I'm gonna keep that all the way funky. But I got used to it. And that's pretty much how everything works. Now you play with it long enough, pause, and you'll figure it out. So boom, I said yesterday, now let's start at the daily, because we want to see the overall trend, right? So yesterday was this red bar. So I said it's going to bounce and we're going to have a updated day. And it's crazy how it opened below the trend line. That's interesting. How that did that. But I said yesterday, if you was here, you can go back, and I said we're going to have an up day because I see this bouncing off of this this trend line here. And lo and behold, it did. After dropping, after opening below it, it closed this gap a little bit. So let's go to the hourly and see what it looks like on the hourly. Yeah, see? So it came back up in here. Yeah, what's today? 13th. So yeah, my thing was I thought it was going to bounce here. Y'all see that pin bar right there? Let me make this bigger. Y'all see this pin bar right here? This is where I thought it was going to bounce. That was yesterday, the end of the day. But this morning, this is why you don't want to be, sometimes you don't want to place an order before market opens because you don't know where it's going to open at. It opened below this trend line, but it came back up in here. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that right there. Yep, because it looks like the range has just been extended. It's still in there. It came back up in there. So let me see. Let's take it down one more. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So what do we see here? What do we see? I see a structure that got violated. I see a structure that got violated because, see, this morning it opened below the structure. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's setting up for another drop. If you ask me, I think it's going to rally back up to this maybe this line resistance right here and go back down. We're in a downtrend, y'all. We're in a downtrend. So until further notice, I'll be looking for rallies to resistances so I can do puts. And this just broke a structure again this today. So it's meandering down here at the support line. And that's a recipe for more. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that bar, that selling bar. It's a lot of selling going on. So my synopsis for the SPY is down. It's going to hit this resistance level tomorrow and keep going down. As for, see, this is my trading time frame, the hourly, but I use the 15 to look inside of that hourly. Right? There's time frames that relate. Y'all might want to write this down. Time frames relate in multiples of 5 or 3, or 3 to 5. So if you're looking in the hourly, divide the hour by 5, by 3 to 5. So that means the next time frame down is the time frame that relates to that higher time frame. You'll see what's going on inside of the higher time frame with that multiple of 3 to 5 in the lower time frame. That's why I use the hourly, and then I look inside of my hourly in the 15 minute, because you divide hour by what, 4, 1, 2, 5, or is it 6? That gives you 15 minutes. So there's how many 15 minutes in and out? 1, 2. There's 4 for an hour. So yeah, that's an appropriate relation. All right. So if your 15 minute is your trading time frame, you want to look inside the 15 minute by looking inside the 5, because that's a multiple of 3. All right, and a multiple of 5. So yeah, I see the SPY dropping some more tomorrow. As for what I'm trading, ASO, I'm on ASO tail, you hear me? So what happened yesterday? I got caught on the wrong side of the trade because I did a call right here. I did a call with a pin bar at resistance when I should have been doing a put right here. So I got caught here, but I held on to it. And this is the beauty. This is the reason why you want to have time on your contract, because I was able to hold on to it until today, and it hit this support, thankfully. It hit this support, and then I seen this little pin bar. You see that little? I said, "Ooh, it's going to bounce tomorrow." And lo and behold, I held my call, and it bounced. It bounced, and I'm still in it. It bounced, and look, it broke through. It broke through, and it's still going. So I'm still in that joint. I'm right. See, this is the same stock. You don't have to be all over the place. So this line that it broke today, this downtrend line is a long-term daily downtrend line. So that's this line. It just broke that. So it's been on a downtrend since November of 2021. So it just broke that trend to the upside. So I'm trying to be on the right side of this trade. You understand? So yeah, I am at this point on the right side of this trade. If y'all been following me, y'all probably are too. But like, this is not financial advice. I'm just trying to give y'all some eyes in on the chart and how y'all can chart y'all one stock. So trust your edge. If it go against you, oh well. Move on to your next edge, because all of it is probability. Like if I didn't have time on my contract and I did a call right here with this pin bar at resistance and it went against me, I had time on my contract to wait and see if it was going to bounce. I know where I was going to get out. If it would have went below this line here and didn't bounce, if it ain't bounced right here, I probably would have got out. But it bounced off of my line. This is important to drawing your trend lines and your levels. So it bounced, and I had time on my contract, and thankfully, look, it broke through that long-term trend, and I am up about 10% right now. So I'll probably be cashing that joint out tomorrow. Because I didn't get that many days on the contract. I think I got like 9 days on the contract. I didn't expect to be in there long anyway. But I'm taking profit tomorrow. Let's see where I'm taking profit at. It's probably going to run to 39.14. And I'm going to take profit somewhere in between, in between where it's at and 39.14. That's how you Cheef in chart. If you want to learn how to trade options, I got the swing trading options course right now. I don't know how many left, but it's on sale for $27. The course is $2,000 worth of information. I'm not sure how long it's going to be on sale, but if you want to learn how to do this, you might want to pick that course up. Feel free to grab that. The link should be somewhere in the description. So with that being said, man, I will see y'all tomorrow with the ASO update. It's your man, Don Bucks. I'm out.